Good morning, my dear students. This is American Literature Unit 1, Topic 2, Carl Sandburg. So today we are going to see about Carl Burg's biography, his works and life experience. Carl August Sandburg is the full name of Carl Sandburg. He was an American poet and he is a biographer, journalist and editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes. Pulitzer Prizes, it is an award which is given to a writer, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln, and he was born on 6th January 1878 and he was died on 22nd July 1967. Let us see some more life history of Carl Sandburg in the next session. Carl Sandburg was educated at Lombard College and he won awards like Pulitzer Prize for Poetry, Robert Frost Medal, and Pulitzer Prize for History. What kind of poet is Carl Sandburg? Sandburg composed his poetry primarily in free verse. Concerning rhyme verses, non-rhyme Sandburg once said really if it gels into free verse all night. What is Carl Sandburg's most famous poem? And he is known for such famous poem as Chicago, which was written in the year 1914, and Fog, which was written in the year 1916, and he won the Pulitzer Prize in the year 1940 for the last of his 6-volume biography of Lincoln, 1926 to 39. Why is Carl Sandburg important to American poetry? He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. And he had written many more works like Chicago, Fog, and many other works. During his lifetime, Sandburg was widely regarded as a major figure in contemporary literature, especially for the volumes of his collected verse. Sandburg composed his poetry primarily in free verse. He uses the concept of free verse in his writing, and is concerning rhyme verses, non-rhyme Sandburg once said early, it is gels into free verse all night. Including Chicago Poems, which was written in the year 1916, Cornhuskers, which was written in 1918, and Smoke and Steel, which was written in the year 1920. These above are some of the famous work which was written by Carl Sandburg in his lifetime, which had brought him fame and recognition as a writer. What is the meaning of Chicago by Carl Sandburg? Chicago Return by Carl Sandburg is a poem of admiration and self-defense. I repeat, it is the poem of admiration and self-defense. The poem itself is a typical example of middle-class life that existed in Chicago. Most of the time, the city is seen darker because of things like prostitution, hunger, and murder in urban areas. Who is the speaker in the poem Chicago? The speaker in this poem is someone in Chicago who is seeing and experiencing the lifestyle of the people who live there. The theme of the poem is how proud its citizens are and accepting its city's cruelty. This is what the theme of the poem Chicago, which was said by Carl Sandburg. What is being personified in the poem Chicago? Chicago is filled to the brim with personification. By the end of the poem, it seems to be way more like a man than like a city. It has shoulders, a heart, a pulse, and it laughs while Sandburg paints a portrait of a city that is, in some ways, very human. My dear students, by reading all those things, you'll be able to understand about the author Carl Sandburg. We'll see it in the next video. Thank you.